Welcome to One Big Question. Today we explore the microscopic universe, revealing the oldest and most stunning art gallery ever. For billions of years, this hidden gallery existed in total darkness, completely invisible to any form of conscious, intelligent life. We begin our journey with the fascinating story of Bruce Riley, an artist creating mesmerizing and vibrant organic resin paintings. His vibrant artworks simulate the incredible complexity of biological cells, drawing us into a world of flowing colors and shapes. Watching his creative process feels like observing the origins of life, where simple elements combine into breathtaking microscopic biological masterpieces. Riley pours layers of translucent resin, capturing the essence of microscopic life forms that quietly thrive in every water drop. These artistic creations serve as a perfect bridge, connecting human imagination to the profound realities of the unseen microscopic universe. The vibrant colors blend together naturally, forming intricate patterns that strongly resemble the dynamic internal structures of living biological cells. Every brushstroke and resin pour represents the chaotic yet organized nature of biological evolution, unfolding over millions of ancient years. Art allows us to visualize the invisible, giving us a unique perspective on the fundamental building blocks of terrestrial life. Through his unique vision, we can finally appreciate the hidden geometric beauty that exists within every single living biological organism. The flowing resin perfectly mimics the constant movement of cellular cytoplasm, reminding us that life is always in constant motion. Each painting becomes a portal, transporting viewers from the familiar human scale down into the mysterious depths of microscopic biology. By observing these stunning artistic representations, we prepare our minds to encounter the actual biological wonders waiting under the microscope. The intersection of human creativity and natural biology reveals a profound truth about the universal patterns governing all physical existence. Notice how the bright colors spontaneously organize themselves into circular formations, closely mirroring the natural division of real biological cells. This spontaneous organization is not just an artistic trick. It reflects the fundamental physical laws that govern all fluid dynamics. Inside every living cell, similar physical forces are constantly at work, organizing complex molecules into functional and highly efficient structures. The artist does not force the paint into specific shapes. He simply creates the ideal conditions for natural patterns emerging. Similarly, nature does not consciously design living organisms. It relies on evolutionary pressures to shape the most efficient biological forms. The resulting visual complexity is absolutely stunning, capturing the delicate balance between chaotic randomness and highly structured biological systemic order. When we look closely at the resin layers, we can almost see microscopic organelles swimming through a thick, colorful fluid. This visual similarity highlights a deep connection between the macro world of human art and the micro world of biology. Both realms are governed by the exact same universal laws of physics, chemistry, and mathematics that shape our entire reality. As the resin slowly cures and hardens, it forever preserves a single fleeting moment of dynamic fluid motion and beauty. In the microscopic world, biological structures are constantly changing, adapting to their environments in a never-ending dance of survival. These artistic simulations help us grasp the incredible scale and complexity of the hidden microscopic ecosystems thriving all around us. We are now ready to leave the art studio behind and dive directly into the real, living, microscopic, biological universe. Prepare to witness biological structures so incredibly beautiful and complex that they easily surpass even the most imaginative human artworks. The real microscopic world is a vast, untamed frontier filled with bizarre creatures, intricate geometries, and unimaginable, hidden aesthetic wonders. As we transition from human art to biology, we encounter diatoms, magnificent, single-celled organisms populating our vast global oceans. Diatoms construct intricate glass shells around themselves, displaying geometric patterns that rival the most sophisticated architectural designs created by humans. These microscopic jewels of the sea produce a significant portion of the oxygen we breathe, sustaining life across our planet. Every single diatom features a unique, symmetrical structure, proving that nature is the ultimate sculptor of magnificent microscopic glass masterpieces. Their transparent crystalline bodies refract light beautifully, creating a dazzling display of colors that remains hidden beneath the ocean waves. Scientists have discovered thousands of different diatom species, each possessing a distinct geometric shape optimized for survival in aquatic environments. These tiny organisms form the essential foundation of marine food webs, supporting everything from small fish to massive blue whales. Without the tireless biological activity of these microscopic glassmakers, our global ecosystem would quickly collapse into complete barren wasteland. The intricate patterns on their shells are not just for decoration. They provide incredible structural strength against intense ocean pressures. These microscopic glass houses protect the vulnerable cellular machinery inside, allowing diatoms to thrive in extremely harsh and unforgiving environments. Examining these shells under an electron microscope reveals a level of precise engineering that completely defies our traditional biological expectations. Every tiny pore and rigid structural ridge serves a specific biological purpose, maximizing light absorption for highly efficient cellular photosynthesis. It is truly mind-boggling to realize that such astonishing architectural perfection is achieved by a simple, single-celled organism. Diatoms do not possess brains or nervous systems, yet they consistently manufacture microscopic structures of unparalleled aesthetic and functional brilliance. They extract dissolved silica directly from seawater, using complex biochemical pathways to slowly build their magnificent, transparent, crystalline protective shells. When diatoms eventually die, their heavy glass shells slowly sink to the dark ocean floor. Accumulating over millions of years, these massive microscopic graveyards eventually form thick layers of sedimentary rock, permanently altering the geological landscape of our entire planet. The sheer scale of their collective biological impact is staggering, proving that even the smallest creatures can reshape the Earth. In many ways, diatoms are the unsung heroes of our global climate, silently absorbing massive amounts of harmful carbon dioxide. Their hidden beauty is matched only by their immense ecological importance, making them one of the most vital biological groups. The microscopic ocean world is a vibrant, bustling ecosystem where countless tiny organisms constantly interact in a complex biological dance. Tiny predators hunt microscopic prey, utilizing bizarre and fascinating evolutionary adaptations to survive in this highly competitive, invisible aquatic arena. Some single-celled organisms use whip-like flagella to rapidly propel themselves through the water, hunting for their next meal. Others rely on stealth and camouflage, blending perfectly into their microscopic surroundings to avoid detection by hungry passing aquatic predators. This invisible world is filled with dramatic struggles for survival, playing out on a scale far too small to see. Despite the constant biological warfare, there is an undeniable elegance and grace to the movements of these microscopic aquatic creatures. They glide smoothly through their watery environments, tracing beautiful geometric paths that resemble the intricate orbits of distant celestial planets. The microscopic realm is a perfect microcosm of the larger universe, reflecting the same fundamental principles of life and death. Every drop of ocean water contains a complete, self-sustaining ecosystem, teeming with millions of unique and beautiful microscopic organisms. Exploring this hidden dimension completely changes our perspective on life, revealing the incredible diversity and resilience of natural biological systems. Moving beyond the oceans, we discover that microscopic life thrives absolutely everywhere, from deep underground caves to towering mountain peaks. Bacteria are the undisputed masters of survival, adapting to extreme environments that would instantly kill any complex multicellular biological organism. Some bacteria thrive in boiling hot springs, utilizing unique heat-resistant proteins to maintain their complex internal biological cellular machinery. Others survive in highly acidic lakes or radioactive environments, proving that life can persist under the most extraordinarily harsh conditions. Despite their simplistic reputation, bacteria exhibit remarkable structural complexity, featuring intricate molecular machines that handle vital daily biological cellular functions. The bacterial flagellum is a marvel of microscopic engineering, functioning exactly like a tiny rotary motor to provide rapid propulsion. This biological motor spins at incredible speeds, allowing the bacterium to quickly navigate its environment in search of essential nutrients. Bacteria also communicate with each other using complex chemical signals, coordinating their collective behavior to form highly organized microbial communities. These microbial biofilms can be incredibly resilient, resisting harsh environmental changes and surviving powerful antibiotic treatments designed to destroy them. The hidden world of bacteria is a testament to the relentless adaptability and creative problem-solving power of biological evolution. Every single bacterial cell is a highly efficient, self-replicating biochemical factory, capable of processing energy and building complex molecules. They play a crucial role in recycling essential nutrients, breaking down dead organic matter to sustain the entire global ecosystem. Without the constant microscopic labor of countless bacteria, all life on Earth would quickly suffocate under mountains of biological waste. The intricate shapes of different bacterial species, from perfect spheres to twisted spirals, showcase the endless morphological diversity of nature, even at this incredibly small scale. The universe prioritizes both functional efficiency and stunning aesthetic beauty in its biological designs. When we zoom in further, we discover a bustling metropolis inside every cell, where tiny organelles work in perfect harmony. Mitochondria generate the vital energy required for survival, functioning like microscopic power plants within the incredibly complex architecture of cells. These tiny energy factories contain their own unique genetic code, suggesting they were once independent organisms before merging with cells. This ancient biological partnership revolutionized the evolution of life, allowing cells to grow larger and develop much more complex structures. The intricate folded inner membranes of mitochondria maximize their surface area, highly optimizing their ability to produce essential cellular energy. Meanwhile, the cell nucleus acts as a secure microscopic vault, carefully protecting the precious DNA instructions required for biological reproduction. Inside the nucleus, massive DNA molecules are tightly coiled and perfectly organized, forming the beautiful and iconic double helix structure. This microscopic library contains all the biological information needed to build and maintain the entire organism throughout its entire lifetime. Ribosomes read these genetic instructions, rapidly assembling complex proteins by carefully linking individual amino acids together in a precise sequence. Proteins fold into intricate three-dimensional shapes, performing specific tasks that keep biological machinery running smoothly without conscious human intervention. The endoplasmic reticulum functions as a microscopic biological highway, rapidly transporting these newly built proteins to their correct cellular destinations. Every organelle plays a vital, irreplaceable role, working together seamlessly to ensure the continued survival of the entire biological cell. The sheer elegance and coordinated precision of these cellular processes completely rival the most advanced automated factories ever built today. Yet this incredible microscopic machinery operates entirely without conscious thought, guided only by the blind, relentless forces of chemical attraction. The breathtaking complexity hidden inside every single living cell truly represents the ultimate masterpiece of ancient biological evolutionary artistic design. The sheer elegance of these cellular processes raises a profound philosophical question that has puzzled scientists and deep thinkers forever. Why does such extraordinary beauty exist at a scale so incredibly small that no conscious mind could appreciate it beforehand? For over 4 billion years, the universe crafted these spectacular microscopic landscapes without a single pair of eyes witnessing them. This incredible paradox suggests that aesthetic beauty is not merely a human invention, but a fundamental organizing principle of cosmos. Perhaps the universe naturally tends toward elegance and harmony, weaving intricate artistic patterns into the very fabric of physical existence. Nature does not require an audience to create masterpieces. It continuously expresses its inherent creativity through relentless forces of evolution. The breathtaking geometric perfection of a dividing cell was not designed to be admired. It simply emerged from mathematical necessity. Yet when we finally look through our powerful microscopes, we instantly recognize and deeply appreciate this hidden ancient biological beauty. This profound connection implies that our human sense of aesthetics is deeply rooted in the fundamental mathematical structure of reality. We find these microscopic forms beautiful because our own brains are constructed using the exact same universal biological architectural rules. The universe is essentially an infinite fractal, repeating the same elegant geometric patterns across every conceivable scale of physical existence. From the spiral arms of massive distant galaxies to the delicate twisting structure of microscopic DNA, the pattern remains consistent. This hidden microscopic art gallery challenges our arrogant assumption that human beings are the sole creators and arbiters of beauty. Long before the first humans ever painted on cave walls, the universe was already busy sculpting magnificent microscopic biological masterpieces. The true origin of art lies not in human culture, but in the ancient, silent, and incredibly precise microscopic world. Imagine a vast, magnificent art gallery filled with countless priceless masterpieces, completely locked away in total darkness for billion years. This was the exact state of our planet for most of its incredibly long and dynamic evolutionary, biological, natural history. Billions of unique microscopic species evolved, flourished, and eventually went extinct, leaving behind absolutely no conscious witnesses to their existence. Their stunning biological architectures and vibrant biochemical colors were completely lost to time, forever hidden within the ancient geological record. Every single drop of ancient ocean water contained a fleeting, beautiful masterpiece that existed only for a brief microscopic moment. The universe poured infinite creative energy into designing these tiny organisms, knowing full well that they would never be seen. This staggering realization highlights the incredible abundance and sheer creative power of the natural, evolutionary, biological forces shaping our world. Nature is the ultimate tireless artist, constantly experimenting with new shapes, colors, and intricate biological structures without seeking any recognition. The invisible history of microscopic life is a profound testament to the inherent, deeply woven aesthetic value of the cosmos. Even in complete darkness, the universe strictly adheres to the fundamental laws of mathematical harmony, structural balance, and perfect proportion. The beauty of the microscopic world is completely objective. It exists independently of our human ability to perceive or appreciate. We are latecomers to this magnificent cosmic exhibition, finally arriving after billions of years of silent, unseen, and beautiful preparation. Our modern microscopes act as magical keys, finally unlocking the heavy doors to this ancient, hidden, and breathtaking biological gallery. As we gaze upon these tiny, perfect creations, we are witnessing the raw, unfiltered creative essence of the entire universe. The invisible art of the past 4 billion years is finally receiving the deep appreciation and profound respect it deserves. This brings us to the fascinating intersection of mathematics and biology, where abstract numbers manifest as living, breathing, biological forms. Every biological structure, no matter how tiny, reflects a universal order that governs the formation of galaxies and microscopic cells. The famous Fibonacci sequence appears absolutely everywhere in nature, dictating the spiral patterns of shells, flowers, and even cell division. This specific mathematical rhythm ensures optimal growth and maximum efficiency, allowing biological organisms to thrive in highly competitive, unpredictable environments. By strictly following these mathematical rules, microscopic organisms can pack the maximum amount of biological material into the smallest space. The precise arrangement of pores on a diatom shell perfectly follows these ancient mathematical principles, maximizing strength and light absorption. Mathematics is the hidden, universal language of nature, providing the fundamental structural blueprint for every single living organism on Earth. When biological cells divide, they follow strict geometric rules, ensuring that the resulting new tissues are perfectly organized and functional. The incredible precision of this microscopic mathematical dance is absolutely essential for the healthy development of all complex multicellular life. Any slight deviation from these strict mathematical rules can lead to disastrous biological consequences, including devastating diseases and cellular mutations. The universe relies on mathematics to maintain order and stability, preventing the incredibly complex biological machinery from collapsing into chaos. Observing these mathematical patterns under a microscope reveals the profound hidden intelligence that quietly governs the entire natural physical world. We are literally looking at the fundamental equations of life, beautifully rendered in three-dimensional space using organic biological materials. The microscopic world proves that mathematics is not just an abstract human invention. It is the fundamental fabric of reality. Biology is essentially mathematics brought to life, a magnificent symphony of numbers and equations dancing together in fluid organic mediums. The golden ratio, a symbol of perfect aesthetic harmony, is deeply embedded in the microscopic architecture of ancient cellular life forms. This unique mathematical proportion creates a profound sense of visual balance and stunning beauty that universally appeals to human minds. We find the golden ratio in the spiral structure of microscopic DNA, proving that beauty is woven into our genetics. From the arrangement of leaves on a stem to the delicate structure of diatoms, mathematical perfection is an inescapable reality. Fractals, those infinitely complex patterns that repeat at every scale, can be easily observed in branching networks of biological tissues. The microscopic blood vessels inside our bodies form intricate fractal patterns, ensuring highly efficient oxygen delivery to every single cell. Similar fractal structures are found in the delicate branching of microscopic fungi, allowing them to rapidly explore their surrounding environments. These geometric rules demonstrate that the universe operates according to a profound mathematical logic, shaping the evolution of living things. The repeating nature of fractals allows biology to build incredibly complex structures using only a few simple, fundamental genetic instructions. This mathematical efficiency is the primary reason why microscopic life can rapidly adapt and thrive in almost any global environment. When we marvel at the intricate beauty of a microscopic fractal pattern, we are actually admiring the extreme efficiency of nature. The microscopic world is not just a random collection of molecules. It is a highly structured environment governed by laws. Understanding these mathematical principles helps us deeply appreciate the incredible intelligence woven into the fabric of nature before humans existed. The universe uses these geometric tools to continuously sculpt and refine the breathtaking masterpieces displayed in its hidden microscopic galleries. Mathematics and beauty are fundamentally inseparable, permanently locked together in an eternal, elegant dance across the vast microscopic biological universe. But if the universe is an artist and mathematics is its brush, who exactly is meant to view these creations? This question leads us to the profound role of human consciousness in the grand unfolding narrative of our mysterious universe. For billions of years, the cosmos expanded, stars ignited, and microscopic life evolved in complete silence, devoid of conscious observers. The universe was a magnificent theater, playing to an empty room, filled with unseen wonders, waiting patiently to be discovered. Then, through a miraculous chain of evolutionary events, human beings emerged, equipped with curious minds and the ability to perceive. We developed powerful microscopes, allowing us to peer into the hidden dimensions of reality and witness the majestic natural art. Perhaps human consciousness did not evolve simply to survive, but to serve as the ultimate audience that the universe needed. We are the universe experiencing itself, waking up after billions of years to marvel at its own incredible microscopic achievements. Our unique ability to deeply appreciate the beauty of a diatom or dividing cell gives profound meaning to the cosmos. Without conscious observers, the breathtaking artistry of the microscopic world would remain forever locked in darkness, completely unknown and unappreciated. By exploring these hidden realms, we fulfill our cosmic destiny, acting as the eyes and minds of an ancient universe. Every time we look through a microscope, we participate in a profound act of discovery, honoring the ancient biological artistry. Human curiosity is the ultimate key that finally unlocks the heavy doors to the oldest and grandest universal art gallery. We bring the vital light of conscious awareness into the dark, silent depths of the previously unseen, microscopic, biological world. In a way, the universe specifically created us so that its magnificent microscopic masterpieces could finally be seen and admired. As the designated audience of the universe, we carry a profound responsibility to deeply understand and respect these microscopic wonders. Our conscious minds are the only mirrors capable of reflecting the true, astonishing beauty of the incredibly complex microscopic realm. When a scientist carefully observes a glowing cell under a microscope, they are performing a deeply spiritual act of connection. They are bridging the massive gap between the conscious human mind and the blind, creative forces of natural biological evolution. This profound connection elevates the microscopic world from a simple collection of mindless chemicals into a magnificent, meaningful, artistic exhibition. The universe finally has its audience, and we are incredibly privileged to occupy the very best front row VIP seats. However, this incredible privilege also demands that we act as careful, responsible stewards of these fragile, microscopic, biological art galleries. We cannot simply be passive observers. We must actively protect the delicate natural environments that sustain these beautiful microscopic masterpieces. Every single drop of polluted water destroys a unique, irreplaceable, microscopic ecosystem filled with ancient, perfectly evolved, biological artistic creations. Our modern industrial actions have widespread consequences that echo all the way down to the smallest, most vulnerable, microscopic scales. Recognizing our role as the cosmic audience should inspire us to fiercely protect the incredible beauty we have finally uncovered. We must ensure that future generations of conscious observers will also have the opportunity to marvel at these microscopic wonders. The universe waited 4 billion years for us to arrive. We must not destroy its magnificent artwork in our ignorance. True appreciation of microscopic beauty requires a deep, unwavering commitment to preserving the natural world in all its complex glory. Our conscious awareness is a powerful tool that must be used to protect, rather than destroy, the fragile biological universe. Sadly, human activities are currently threatening the delicate balance of nature, driving countless species toward extinction at an alarming rate. When an ecosystem is destroyed, we do not just lose animals and plants. We lose billions of unique microscopic masterpieces. Entire galleries of evolutionary art, crafted over millions of years, are wiped out forever in a single moment of destruction. The loss of microscopic biodiversity is a devastating tragedy that silently unfolds, entirely unnoticed, beneath the surface of our awareness. Chemical pollution violently disrupts the delicate mathematical harmony of the microscopic world, causing devastating cellular mutations and widespread biological collapse. Rising global temperatures severely alter the delicate chemical composition of our oceans, directly threatening the survival of magnificent microscopic diatoms. If the diatoms perish, the entire marine food web will violently collapse, leading to catastrophic consequences for all global life. We are recklessly burning down the oldest and most beautiful art gallery in the universe without even realizing our mistake. The invisible microscopic world is crying out for our help, desperately needing us to change our destructive modern industrial behaviors. Every single plastic bottle thrown into the ocean eventually breaks down into toxic microplastics, devastating the fragile microscopic biological ecosystems. These artificial pollutants violently intrude upon the natural geometric perfection of the microscopic realm, causing widespread biological chaos and death. We must urgently recognize that protecting the visible macro environment is absolutely essential for saving the hidden, microscopic, biological world. The health of the largest whale is fundamentally dependent on the survival of the smallest, most vulnerable microscopic ocean organism. Our profound ignorance of the microscopic world has allowed us to cause unimaginable ecological damage without feeling any immediate guilt. But now that we have finally seen the breathtaking beauty of these microscopic galleries, we can no longer plead ignorance. This urgent realization brings us to the incredibly important and inspiring global environmental conservation work being done by Planet Wild. Planet Wild is a dedicated community of passionate individuals working tirelessly to protect and restore vulnerable ecosystems around the globe. By actively supporting these crucial conservation projects, we are directly defending the magnificent microscopic art galleries hidden within natural habitats. Every single acre of protected forest or restored coral reef provides a safe sanctuary for countless billions of microscopic organisms. Planet Wild understands that true environmental conservation requires protecting absolutely every level of the ecosystem, from massive predators to bacteria. Their innovative projects help restore the natural mathematical balance of devastated environments, allowing microscopic biological life to slowly recover completely. When we heal a damaged ecosystem, we are literally rebuilding the shattered glass shells of countless beautiful microscopic ocean diatoms. We are repairing the intricate fractal networks of microscopic fungi that silently nourish the massive roots of ancient forest trees. Supporting Planet Wild is a powerful, direct way to honor our profound cosmic responsibility as the conscious audience of nature. Together, we can successfully halt the tragic destruction of these ancient, irreplaceable, microscopic masterpieces and ensure their long-term survival. The universe spent 4 billion years meticulously crafting this incredible biological beauty. We must invest our resources to protect it. Joining the Planet Wild community allows every single person to become an active guardian of the hidden, microscopic, biological universe. Through collective human action, we can successfully preserve the stunning mathematical perfection and breathtaking elegance of the invisible natural world. Conservation is not just about saving cute animals. It is about protecting the fundamental artistic heritage of our entire cosmos. The microscopic world desperately needs dedicated champions, and Planet Wild provides the perfect platform for us to take meaningful action. As we conclude our journey into the microscopic universe, let us deeply reflect on the astonishing beauty we have witnessed. We have explored the oldest, grandest art gallery in existence, filled with magnificent masterpieces crafted by the relentless evolutionary forces. We have seen how mathematics and biology dance together in perfect harmony, creating stunning geometric structures of unimaginable microscopic complexity. We have profoundly recognized our unique, privileged role as the conscious observers that the ancient universe waited so long for. The microscopic world is no longer a hidden dark secret. It is a vibrant, beautiful reality that demands our respect. Let us carry this newfound profound appreciation into our daily lives, remembering the invisible biological wonders thriving all around us. Every breath of fresh air and every drop of clean water is a precious gift from the tireless, microscopic world. We must remain deeply committed to protecting these fragile ecosystems, supporting vital global conservation initiatives like the Planet Wild Project. By doing so, we ensure that the magnificent microscopic art gallery remains completely open and vibrant for countless future generations. The universe will continue to create breathtaking microscopic masterpieces, and we must promise to always be there to admire them. Our conscious minds and the beautiful microscopic world are permanently linked together in an eternal, elegant dance of cosmic discovery. Never forget that true beauty exists at absolutely every scale, waiting patiently in the dark shadows for us to look. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never lose your profound sense of wonder for the magnificent, hidden mysteries of our universe. This has been an incredible journey through the microscopic realm, revealing the true aesthetic brilliance of natural biological evolutionary design. Thank you for watching One Big Question. Let us protect these microscopic galleries together, preserving the ultimate beauty of nature.